Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative showing you what is in our new Creative Kit card box. This is our Among the Gum Trees kit. First of all, we've got some of our tiny tools, which is really awesome. We've got our Among the Gum Trees creative cuts. We've got a little texture stamp, this is our log stamp. We've got some of our sage rhinestones. We have got our little tiny tool icon die. We've got some 3mm double-sided tape. Got our, I think these are called amazing stickers. Yeah, these are our amazing stickers. This beautiful gum leaves laser cut, which is called the Among the Gum Leaves laser cut. A wonderful book, which is full of card making and scrapbooking ideas and tutorials and step-by-step instructions. And layouts are in the front. And we've got our cut apart sheet, which works with our dies, our essential dies, and this great watercolor cut apart sheet. This is the Among the Gum Leaves one. We have got some cardstock. We've got some of our malt, which is this one, and some of our butterscotch. So 2 pieces of our cardstock, beautiful thick cardstock. We've got some burlap, and we've got some of our corrugated. So lots of things in the kit, and of course you have got the Among the Gum Trees collection pack. Our kit is value for money for sure. Some of the best value kits in Australia. We've got lots of scrapbooking ideas in there and instructions. So if you want to make some of these gorgeous layouts, you absolutely can with our kit. So many beautiful ideas. Wow, they just keep coming. And of course on our blog there will be lots more ideas throughout the month as well, with instructions and just inspiration, so that you will absolutely find something that you will love and want to create with our kit. Our kits are just $49.95 plus postage, and you can subscribe to save and be guaranteed to get a kit every single month. Thanks guys for watching. Till next time, bye.